Yo, what up YouTube? Kind of do some more work on the car today. Gonna try and get the headliner out and the curtain airbags, as well as the like the rear quarter panel interior bits. So I'm gonna work on that today. As well, I did get an email, or well, I messaged Cage Kits, so they are gonna be sending that piece out to me shortly. So that's all good, that's all sorted, thank you guys. But yeah, let's get down into the garage and get some stuff done. So it is the next day. Going to try to get some more stuff out of this car and take from there. Figured I'll kind of show you guys what I have in the car right now. All right, so right now the back half is stripped. It's been stripped for a long time. Really all I gotta do is get those rear quarter glass panels out. I want to try to get the headliner out as well, and kind of take her from there. We'll see what else I can get out, but we'll start with those. Also, it's been really cold up here in New Hampshire, so coverall helps a whole lot. Try and pull this off. I'm pretty sure this seat belt's going to be in the way, and that's going to be holding this panel in. So I got to figure out how to get this seat belt off. Try to get this panel off. I think this panel's got to pop off here, right? Yep. And then there's a bolt under there. Take that off. This panel should come off after that, I would think. Get that off. Wish I had my... Oh, well, no, that's good. Using 1/4 inch stuff right now. Alright, so it looks like everything's kind of captured together on this bolt, which is really convenient. Drop that down, and then I imagine the rest of this is just going to pull off. There we go. So there's that. And now, I wonder what that goes through. Apparently nothing. I have like a black wire just dropped down from there and it's cut. Interesting. What do we have here? Actually, there's a sensor, it looks like, right here. I don't know if that's for like the airbag or something. It has like a harness here right next to the speaker harness wire. So I'm going to disconnect those. There's that. And the speaker. And for my speaker, I have it mounted to this panel actually. That's something I did a while ago when I decided to kind of strip the back half. So there's that. That's nice. Not too hard. I'm gonna have to figure out what this is. So there's this sensor here. I don't really know what that would be for, so. But I think it might have something to do with like the curtain airbags, which I've never removed. It's probably a bad thing. Ugh. All right, so I got those quarter trims out. Yeah, the second one was kind of hard because the bucket seat was still in it and couldn't really get to the clip. I think our next step maybe would be actually this A-pillar trim. It looks like it's covering the headliner. I'm gonna need to remove the visors as well. let's try and get this trim out. It looks pretty loose, so I'm thinking we just gotta pry it. I'm not really looking up any videos on this. Maybe pry it from this side. Yep. All right, so kind of just figuring this out, but looks like I should be able to get the headliner out first because this is not really covering that much and I can pull the top part out. So I'm just gonna forget about this for now because I think I'm gonna get the dash off to get the bottom piece off. And yeah, we'll start working on the headliner actually and see how that's done. Little clip covers a couple screws here, so we're gonna take those out. Okay, yeah, and there is some wiring here. Oh, cool. Little electrical clip. Perfect. That's actually super easy. I might be able to actually put this back in, which, I mean, I don't know. I want this to kind of be a street car still, like even though it's a drift car. Because I don't even have a truck or trailer yet, so kind of assuming this probably, oh, yeah. Oh, okay. That just pops out. Wonderful. Perfect. All right, so I mean, this is kind of loose, the headliner. Yeah, the back part wants to come down. I just don't want to I don't want to mess it up. We don't want to not break the headliner because it sounds like it's made out of cardboard. Feels like this light is attached to the headliner, so there's probably a wiring harness. Oh, actually, look. Oh, okay. I'm not sure what you can see up here, but there is a wiring harness under here that's taped to the headliner. So I need to get that off and then it'll probably drop down. But yeah, we're slowly getting this down. Released for some reason. All right, so if you're ever curious, looks like there's those two tan pins up there that push up into those holes, and that was keeping the headliner from coming down. So now I gotta find the electrical connector that connects that overhead lamp, and we'll disconnect that and this should come out. All right, so we have got the headliner out. That's pretty cool. I think next what I want to do is probably get the side curtain airbags out. There's a bolt behind there that I'm gonna need to get to. I believe that's just one or two bolts. Oh no, there's two bolts back there I'll need to get to, but there's 1, 2,
you know, these, and then their wiring harnesses. If I unclip those, should be good. These wires, for example, these ones, this went to like the headlamp or sun visor on the passenger side. This is like the headlamp. You know, might want to start labeling stuff because I'm gonna need to get rid of some of this stuff or coil it up and get it out of the way. Alright, that is that. These are interesting. You have like the airbag itself, and then this looks to be like a compressed air canister right here. So it blows down this tube and inflates that up. Pretty cool. But yeah, these, I would say these are like maybe 1.5 pounds. They're not that heavy. So, but yeah, I'm gonna get both of these out because we can't run them. Sweet. Got the side curtain airbags out. That wasn't too bad. So now we don't have anything in the roof basically, except for the rear view mirror, which I mean, I'm gonna probably have to replace this rear view mirror with like a non-electrical one because I don't know. That one's got like the garage door opener and stuff on it. I don't need that. And if I can just get like just a mirror, then I can do away with pretty much all of that wiring up there. Because I don't really see myself needing the lights and like the sun visors or whatever. Like I'm not gonna be like, I will be driving it on the street every once in a while, but I don't really use that light very often. Like if I need that, I'll probably have like accent lighting or something instead. But I'm pretty content with where I'm at for right now. But yeah, we're gonna be looking to get, I think, the back bar out next, because like that is something that is going to be in the way, I believe. Gonna probably get the center console out and probably, you know, everything else. I've noticed my brake fluid reservoir is low and there's some residue on my dash, so that's not very fun. So I'm probably gonna need to order some new hose for this or cut it shorter, and you know, hoping I can put it back to where it was, but if I can make it better, I might. This whole reservoir system's kind of weird, so we'll make sure there's no leaks down there. I'm not really sure how it's seeping onto this, unless it's like dripping off of here, which it could be, but I haven't felt anything. Enough of the jibber jabber. I'm gonna probably call it for the day and kind of hit it again tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna make that into its own video or what, but you know, we'll see. So if you guys enjoy the video, please give it a like, comment, or subscribe, and I will catch you later, hopefully in the next one. Peace out.